Shalom, divine. How are you guys doing today? I hope your spirits find you well. Thank you for joining me. My name is KB. Y'all need to be all up in my face. Just joking. Anyway, so I am so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. So by the title, you already know I lost weight without exercising. I lost 16 pounds and 5 inches around my waist without exercising by only simply removing the parasites. And I'm so happy. I'm so excited. So let me start by saying this. Everybody has parasites. Unbeknownst to you, everyone has parasites. This lady, she felt sorry for me. She's like, why do you keep contracting parasites? I'm like, you got them too. You just don't know. If you got pets, if you are eating leafy greens, if you are going around different countries and eating contaminated food or contaminated water, like me, I was, in Mexico and the water was scarce. I had to carry 5 gallons of water to and from walking from my apartment, and it was not I didn't have an abundance of water. It was not an unlimited supply. It was scarce. So I didn't rinse my vegetables thoroughly, and that's probably why I contracted the parasites there. And in Cambodia, I contracted nanobots and Morgellons, and we will not go down that road. But it was all, for me, it was supernatural and spiritual. But for the mundane purposes, I was in those countries contracting different parasites. And I had to make up, because it was different parasites, I had to make up different recipes. For 6 years, I've been doing this. But I finally found something that worked. And it's in a tea form. And the reason why I have it in a tea form is because I have digestion issues. And with digestion issues, you're not able to make a peel and swallow it because you won't be able to absorb it if you have digestion issues and absorption issues. So you make it into a tea form, and that's why I'm so excited. So excited, you guys. So yeah, so I lost 16 pounds and 5 inches. I keep saying 4, but I was 36. So what is it? I was 36 and a half. And now I am 31 and a half. So yeah, that's 5 pounds, right? Yeah. Is that 5 or 4? 5 pounds. Boy, I tell you, the brain is gone. This is what I wanted to tell you guys, that if you are trying to get on your spiritual journey, if you are trying to ascend, if you're trying to get to another level, if you're trying to make your body light, you have to remove the toxins. You have to remove the parasites. Parasites are in your body for a reason, done deliberately by the cabal to control you. Parasites control you. And spiritually, we go a little deep. Spirits are able to control you via the parasites. You must remove the parasites in order to make it to the next level. You must remove the parasites in order to get on your spiritual journey, in order to ascend, to get up to the next level, or on the other side, so-called heaven on earth. But so we'll go back to the weight. We'll go back to the weight. Prior to you trying to lose weight, you have to get rid of the parasites. If you're detoxifying your body, you have to find something that is specifically for the parasites, to remove the parasites first. Then get into a deep weight loss journey or a deep detoxing journey, right? Because I will tell you, I did that without any exercise. No exercise. I didn't exercise at all, right? Anyway, I didn't exercise at all. I'll eventually get into my exercise routine, but it's winter here, so not an excuse. But I didn't exercise at all, and I was able to get rid of those bastards. 16 pounds worth of parasites, and it disgusts me to think about it. But they're gone. And this is why I'm making this statement, is because if you're, say for instance, hypothetically speaking, you're on a parasite routine like I was, 7 days into my routine, I got distracted. I started eating. And in an hour, I gained 5 to 7 pounds in just an hour. I thought I had removed most of the parasites, but I didn't. And even though when you think you remove most of the parasites, the remaining ones are going to feed and they're going to have babies. I was so bloated. It's like I was pregnant with parasites. Prior to, I wanted to tell you too, the 5 inches around my waist, when I measured when I was 36 and a half, that was not me being bloated. I did not eat during that. It was just the parasites. So it was 4 to 5 inches of parasites, not fat, because I didn't work out. Do you know what I'm saying? It was only the parasites. Disgusting as it sounds. So let me just tell you, removing those parasites without any exercise is an easy way to keep the weight off and to be free of the parasites, but you have to do maintenance. The maintenance is going to be every 3 months. You must do your due diligence to get rid of them every 3 months. And the maintenance, I can leave something down below, a video that I made on how to eat something every single day to keep them at bay, to kill the little bitty babies that ends up creeping up. You know, you want to do something like that on a regular. The pros, let me just tell you the pros. So no severe cravings. The tea helped me with my digestion. No grinding my teeth. No excessive bloating, no excessive gas. No more heavy menstrual cycles. The fibromyalgia eliminated. I had my energy back because they were robbing me of my energy. The cons was the self-sabotage. I want to talk about that more. Distractions. Because it felt like I was, with the ones that were still existing, they are here to mind control you. So that I was being controlled. I know it's hard for people to believe, but it's true. The detox symptoms: coughing, sneezing, runny nose, vomiting, headaches. It was crazy. It was good again. Okay, guys, that's it. So get on your spiritual journey. If you want to lose weight easily, get on a parasite cleanse. Lose 10 to 15 pounds just like that by getting rid of them damn parasites, okay? I love you guys, and get on your mission, get on your journey, and stay positive and